Welcome to Lecture 8, The Political Debate. This brief lecture is meant to provide students with some of the unique features of a highly structured form of political interview, the debate. This indeed has been a staple in deliberation in democracy over the last 2 centuries in the United States. Think back to your American history classes. Do you recall the famous Lincoln-Douglas debates? And no, I was not alive back in the 1800s. Debates are not only part of our political culture and seem obligatory every election cycle, but they are a chance for political candidates to try and expose their doxa and episteme in hopes of persuading swing voters and others to join in their cause. These debates are often televised and are used as a political weapon to overcome a lack of exposure on the national, regional, or local stage. These debates can at times seem forced and more like fanfare than substantive. However, I'm here to tell you that as supported by research, opinions have been swayed and dramatically altered the direction of certain political campaigns. While there are way too many debate incidents in which TV showcased some very entertaining moments over the last 50 years, this week I would like us to focus on the 1988 presidential election. Granted, I was 6 years old when the debate took place between Democrat Michael Dukakis and Republican George H.W. Bush. This particular debate certainly helps provide some help to the dying Bush campaign. Dukakis was riding high in poll numbers as a get-it-done governor of Massachusetts. He was the first Greek-American nominated to a major party ticket and offered a personable and substantive alternative to the 8 years of the Reagan administration. With an economy that was beginning to slow, a Cold War ending, and a drug pandemic taking over cities in America, people were favoring Dukakis over Bush. However, thanks to one certain political ad and the fateful debate in October of '88, this quickly changed. Take a few moments to watch the clip provided on Blackboard of Dukakis' response to a controversial question that journalist Bernard Shaw asked him regarding the death penalty. As you're watching, why do you think Dukakis' answer provided a sea change in negative opinion from his answer? What about Vice President Bush's rebuttal? After viewing this week's PowerPoint slides, I urge you to select one of the debate videos, observe a clip of the debate performance, and put forth your own philosophy on how the televised political debate can help provide some useful information for potential voters in the public sphere. What are some of the most popular question types being asked? What about the political topics explored? What are the nonverbal cues and linguistic choices made by some of the candidates and the journalists asking the questions? Whether it was Mitt Romney's blunder of binder full of women comment in 2012 or Vice President Al Gore's constant sighing back in the 2000 presidential debates against George W. Bush, how do political debates influence voters? Thank you.